Right guys, we just hit 100. Look down here, 247,567 coins. And I need to open a few packs and make profit to get to 200 mil. That's been my goal ever since the start. And I just can't wait until I get it, because I've been playing this game for about 10 years. That's not very good. Just no. Is this gonna give me profit? That's not gonna give me profit. God, I think this is gonna be the final stretch. I'm gonna aim for 500. I'm joking. 200 million seems the best for me. Right, don't listen to the behind thing, because my brother's gay and he watches gay little challenges like a little gay boy. Yeah, I'm so sorry, my brother is just gay. And remember, the editing software, it is pretty good, you know. I love it. Oh, I did make profit. Oh, I didn't. I made quite a lot of profit. Right, come on, make profit, please. No, that's not what we're looking for. We need good. Come on, profit. Profit. That's not what we're looking for. We need profit. Come on, profit, profit, profit. Yes, that is what we're looking for. Yes. That is what we're looking for. Players like him. No. I don't want you. I want players like Sergio Ramos and Ronaldo and Messi and Suarez. I just never get them. That's pretty good, you know. Come on. No, not what we want. Right, I'm gonna use 50 more K. Come on. Good. Profit, profit, profit. That's decent. That's decent. It might not be making me profit, but I think it is, you know. Because that Ozil might be worth 500k. And he is. And then that's worth 200k. Oh my god. Right, come on. Sell 3 pages. We're on 199 mil. Sell 3 pages worth of players and see the profit, and then buy a few packs and see if we can make even more profit. Hopefully we can. I'm sure we can, guys. Oh, 500,000. I'm sure we can. Right. 400,000 left to go. 400,000. Come on. I need profit. If I open this pack and I get a good player. Come on. That's not what we want. Hey, Reina, we don't want him. Come on. No. Come on. Come on, please. Please. Come on, please. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I think we've done it. 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 It's worth it. What's the name, guys? Come on. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? 200 million coins. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. I've still got to sell 3 pages because it's my tradition. But, hell yes! If this video can get 5 likes, yes, a whopping 5 likes, I will give a pack opening, do a pack opening that will probably last quite long of the 200 mil right there. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, if you're new around here, subscribe, like, and